All right, in this unit, we've been talking about precautions you can take. And so far, we've talked about precautions from skin cancer, precautions for breast cancer if you find out you have a certain gene like the BRCA1 or BRCA2. So now we're going to look at precautions for viruses. So viruses can cause cancer. Um, the reason why is because remember, if we have our cell, a virus will hook onto that cell and inject its DNA or RNA into here, and sometimes that can mess with our genome. And when that does, that obviously causes mutations that can trigger certain genes to be on and off and cause cancer. All right, so there's three ones, and we're not going to do too much with this other than just take notes on it. But there's three viruses that can cause cancer. There's more, but there's only going to be three common ones that we're going to talk about. So the first one you guys probably all know about is HPV. HPV is sexually transmitted, and it causes abnormal cells to start growing in cervical cancer. It's also linked to mouth and throat cancer, but there is a vaccine for this to stop it. And this kind of goes through the some of the main statistics and stuff like this. 90% of the cases heal within 2 years of HPV, but about 0.8% of the cases develop in cancer, and that's a pretty enough high risk at going for cervical cancer. And since it's a vaccine, it's a pretty easy one to prevent. So again, you want to take vaccines, build up that immunity, so you don't get the actual virus and possible other effects like cancer. The next one is Epstein-Barr virus. This is a type of herpes virus. It's usually known for causing mononucleosis, so we looked at it a little bit, went all the way back in Unit 1 when we were diagnosing our patients. And this one can be linked to lymphoma. This one is more of a rare disease, so there is no vaccine or medications available for this one. So there's not much you can do to prevent this other than detect the virus early and take other precautions. And then the last one is another one you probably heard about. So this is the only one you probably have not heard about. The other one are hepatitis. We get hepatitis B and hepatitis C, and both of those affect the liver. So generally, these are causes for liver cancers. If we have these can be caused by viruses. You can also have damage by cirrhosis of the liver that can go to liver cancer. Um, it just damages the cells, and to the point where again we start losing different different genes, like the tumor suppressor genes, and that allows cancer to start develop. All right, so those are just the main viruses. You can either just go through this PowerPoint, or you can go through the video.